Hi everyone, Darko here, lead coach, day trading service, Coach's Corner, also known as Darko's Day Trading Academy. We only had one trade this week. The entire week, only one trade. We had another trade on Kiwi CAD. I never got filled, so I canceled my trade. That trade. So the only trade that got filled this week was Aussie dollar. So let's just listen to what I had to say about this trade, and then I will talk you through it. Aussie dollar is a potential pending order because it's Monday, bank holiday and everything. I want to see how price opens. If we don't touch any opposing levels, which is this weekly chart, and I don't care about this daily chart. This weekly level is the first level that I call an actual resistance, support or opposing levels. Weekly bearish candle action, daily bearish candle action. So unless we hit an opposing level, this becomes a pending order. There you go. So we turned this into a pending order. I made this a pending order. This was the screenshot that I shared with my paying clients. So I didn't want price to make a double bottoming from here or touch any opposing levels, as I mentioned in my PMA. So this was the entry with a high stop loss. Let's see how things went. So we got filled in here, and obviously we marked where we could take profits. The first level for me was in here. This is a daily level, and my second and last target would have been in here. Okay, so price comes down, touches this level, we banked 55 pips. Okay, and then price rapidly dropped, and I said this will be a big winner, right? We hit target number one. We seems to be hitting target number two without any effort, like a pain-free trade. And all of a sudden, price missed because I always like front run my profit targets as well, with depending if it's a high volatility pair or a low volatility pair. So this pair just missed my TP2 last profit target by just some pips. And then this happens, and I say, okay, no worries. We are making a higher low, and then we are dropping and hitting final target. Obviously, this level held to the pip, and this is the thing with when you mark a significant neckline, and price is behaving like this around that level. Price, gave you clue that I might not be reestablishing below this level. And obviously, I wanted to stick to my game plan, and we got stopped out on a remaining part for break even. This was a winning trade regardless. Unfortunately, we did not hit the second target. That happens, and now today is non-farm payrolls day, and we don't trade this day, so there's no PMA. So it depends how the week close. We are focusing very much about how did the weekly candle action close, and when are we at the bigger picture or monthly, weekly chart? Are we at support, resistance? So and then based on that, we mark our levels on a daily chart and look for a potential trade. So in this case, and this was the only trade we had the entire week. So the market has been the way it has been lately, and I only want to take these these perfect trades, and most of the pairs are ranging on a weekly, monthly chart, so you have to be very, very careful not wiping your account. So hopefully the market goes back to normal, whatever that means nowadays. So yeah, that's it. I don't want to keep you guys too long. Make sure you will listen to our podcast, and I want to thank Spotify to actually ranking our podcast to number one when you search for, at least when I searched yesterday, when you search for Forex, or you search for trading, or you search for coach, our podcast shows up as option number one. So thank you, Spotify. And keep me, thank you so much for the support and everything. I know the podcast is my baby. I really love it, and I'm right now working on my next episode now over the weekend, and hopefully I will be able to release my next episode next week. Thank you so much for listening. Have a fantastic weekend. Until next time, stay safe and take care. Cheers.